The train ride.
Mr. Rabbit is the station master. How many tickets?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 child ticket and 10 teacher tickets, please. Now, children, do not lose these tickets.
Can I see your tickets, please?
I've lost my ticket. There's your ticket.
Oh, try not to lose it again. Shut up! Shut up! Miss Rabbit is stupid.
All aboard!
Clickety-clack, 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 clickety-clack. The train has on the track. Half the puff, half the puff, half the puff, half the puff. Clickety-clickety, clickety-clickety, clickety-clickety-clack.
Here are your activity sheets.
The children have to spot everything on the activity sheet.
A boat, a signal, a this box, and a tub. Are trees on the list? No. Are clouds on the list?
No, God!
Is Cinnamon got that dog on the list?
No!
Peppa. Hooray!
The children tick the boat on their activity sheet.
Tickets.
Please. Mr. Rabbit has come to check everyone's poop.
I think I've lost my ticket.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Meow. There's your ticket, Pedro. You were
Poop.
sitting on it.
Now you try not to lose it again, Pedro.
Madam
Gazelle,
I feel a bit
bit sick.
Can I
Go to the front.
please?
No!
No.
Hello, Pedro.
Let's go. Clickety clack, the train is on the track. Half and back, the train is on the track. A signal box. That's on our list. Hooray!
The children tick the signal box on their activity sheet. The signal has stopped the train so that someone important can cross.
It's Mrs. Duck and her friends. We still haven't seen a tunnel.
Oh, it's gone dark. We're in a tunnel.
The tunnel is the last thing on the activity sheet.
Hooray!
Lost!
Stop!
What?
Change.
Everybody
Off now.
But Madam Gazelle, how are we going to get home?
Tickets, please.
Pedro's lost his ticket again.
Pedro?
You must die!
There's Pedro's ticket. Oh, that's where I put it.